Hi, this is Ripe Trade, and I just wanted to quickly talk about the short-term trading opportunities that we have called the Ripe Trade and Sharpe Idea setups. If you see on the left here, these are all examples of trades that just recently happened during this March sell-off. The news was talking about the dire circumstances. Everybody was panicking and selling. The smart money was buying and taking advantage of the dip. All right. If you see the solid green arrow, that represents an entry. The hollow red arrow represents a exit for the long trades. I'll just walk down the list here, and you can see there's a couple of actual shorts also. The 9% win there, 10% win here on this short. That was I think an inverse Japanese fund. See, these are all the trades. They were all wins here. This is the levered inverse Japanese fund. A 15% win here, 5% win there. There's an 18% win on this one. A lot of trade setups here and a lot of nice profits. All right, now that we've taken a look at the recent trade history, I'll talk about how these systems have performed over long periods of time based on programming the actual entry and exit criteria, and taking those rules and going back in the history of time and back testing them on this system is back tested on the Russell 1000. So this is you take all those rules and you test it on each stock of the Russell 1000, and this is what the historical performance would have looked like based on the Ripe Trade Level 1 entry. You can see there was 8,267 trading opportunities. 6,289 of them were wins. Gives you a 76% winning percentage ratio. All right. And on average, these trades made about 3.4% net on all trades. Okay, so what that means is the winning trades had historically done about 7% return, and the losing trades typically lost about minus 8.7%. All right, so that nets you about 3.4% average trade. This is what the equity curve looks like. That's just based on taking 100 share trades. It's not a good thing to look at, though, because you got to look at the percentage gains. All right. If I put the percentage gains out there, you don't have a number that's high enough to represent what this thing would have compounded to. Average of 409 trades per year. That number is a little misleading. If we take a look at the monthly history, all right. Takes a little bit of time because there's a lot of data there, but there's a lot. This is a overbought, oversold system, so there's a lot of months where there was a couple months where there was just a huge amount of trades, like in October of 2008. See, there's some months that had 0 trades. This column here, I sorted this column by trades. All right, so you can see there's a lot of months that there was no trades, and then if we just scroll down. You can see the winning percentage. It's showing you the winning percentage column. You can see how it's done based on each month. But you could see in October of 2008 there was about 800 trades. September of 2001 there was 500 trades. So if we take a look at the median trade and just kind of put this thing right in the middle here, you're talking about like typically about 19 to 20 trades per month. All right. That's the Ripe Trade Level 1. Ripe Trade Level 2 has typically had about an 81.7% win ratio. There was 1,511 total trades. 1,234 of those were wins. And the winning trades typically made about 12.9%. The losing trades lost about 12.7%. All right, net, the average trade made 8% profit. All right, we'll take a look at the Ripe Trade short entries. All right, you've got 958 short trades that happened over this 1992 to present time period, 680 of them were wins, and the winning trades averaged 7.6% return. The losing trades lost on average 10.7%. Net, the average trade made about 2.47%. And then we'll take a look at the Sharpe ideas. Sharpe ideas, variant 1 had a total of 1,236 trades. 955 were winners. It's a 77.3% win ratio. It's the equity curve there. But the winning trades there averaged 11.3% return. The losing trades averaged a minus 7.2% loss, and net, the average trade made 7%. This is the Sharpe idea variant 2. There was 1,491 trades during the history of this backtest. 1,285 of those trades were wins. That gives you an 86% win rate. All right. Your average winning trade was 9.7% return. Losses averaged 7% loss. Net, you on average you made about 7.4%. And these are how the Sharpe idea shorts. You only had a total of 122 short opportunities. They were pretty rare, but 91.8% winning ratio. The Sharpe shorts, your total net average for all trades was a 6.4% profit. All right, so this was just a quick rundown. Hopefully, it helps you understand a little bit about this system. We talked about the trading software in the past. This is the system here. These are the rules. I'm not going to let you take a look at the rules because that's that's the service that we're trying to sell you here. But we'll give you the entry prices. One good thing I could do here is to we can't look at it there, but basically on the subscription service, you'll get the entry price criteria. The exact entry price criteria, the selling rules are clearly outlined and defined, and every day you'll get an email and access to a security-enabled website that shows all these trading setups with quotes to show you when these prices hit. So this is Ripe Trade signing off. Please take a look at our subscription services, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us an email.